Hello, we are going to, well, I decluttered a little of the linen closet yesterday. This is in the hallway, so it has our bedding, towels, and then a lot of like medicines, toiletry, that type of thing, travel stuff. So I will show you what I've done so far. I did some of it yesterday and then I kind of just reorganized stuff. So let me show you a quick peek before we go through and finish getting rid of and organizing the towels and bedding. So I left the top two shelves open for towels and sheets. Oh, I did just kind of shove these to get them out of the hallway floor. We were like tripping over everything last night. So I put some of the beach towels and just hand towels in there. And this is extra, hold on, I'm doing manual focus because the autofocus was acting funny. Anyway, that's some of Cora. This is like Cora's basket of stuff. So her backup probiotics and some bath stuff. So then we have all the medications and like health related stuff is here. So let's see if we can focus in on that. So I have the Band-Aids and bandages, the meds under that, hot and cold, you know, like the sticky heating pads and the things you break that you can make cold, and then thermometers, and I have a couple different thermometers, and then they're like covers. So I like these too, these containers, because I can just lift them. Even though they're stacked, they're easy to open and lift. And then way in the back there's Cora's, all her, she has like a nebulizer and all her asthma fun. And then here we have her EpiPen, so it's easily accessible, and first aid, and then just some alcohol there. Down here I've got, these are just extra trash bags. I don't know if I'll keep them up here. And then that is a travel bag. It has some toiletries in it that are always in there for when I travel. It's my own personal one. These are backup soaps that I get at Bath and Body Works when they have their sales. And then this I just thought of yesterday. Stack these. I'm going to put some more bags in here because I don't know. We're always looking for little grocery bags to either put in a trash can if we're out of those, or just, I don't know. Don't you feel like you're always grabbing bags to put stuff in? Is that just me thing? So these, look, you can just pull them out easily. Anything with like little holes, it makes it so just one comes out at a time and you don't have to like sift through. And then these are just extra hand sanitizers that go on like a keychain thing I have. And then in the way back is my travel stuff, like extra travel stuff that I can bring, you know, like shampoos and all that fun stuff. And then these are just basically backup body wash and lotion, and then there's like a couple of my husband's shampoo, conditioner, whatever there. I guess shampoo, he doesn't use conditioner. Face wash, and then all the sunscreens and aloe go in there as well. So we have that. And then on the bottom, I have Swiffers we use to clean even just like hand wiping stuff and doing the baseboards. And then these are our big tissue boxes, backup ones, and then small ones. We have lots of allergies, so we have lots of tissues. These are all my backup. I always buy these when they're in like the big packs and you can get them cheaper. Those are makeup wipes, so I have a bunch of those. And my feminine products, and then there's heating pads back there, and extra toilet paper, and this little stick vacuum for the bathrooms and whatever up here. So let's get into the bedding fun. And I do have some things I know I'm going to get rid of, so that's the pile so far. There's trash and giveaway. Okay, so I might be like dipping out and coming back with stuff. A little dance party here today. Okay, let's just grab some stuff. So as I was going through and folding, I was like looking kind of what I know I want and don't want. So I have these extra pillowcases. I actually bought an extra set of pillowcases because sometimes they like disappear. I don't know how that happens, and then reappear. So I just got a set of king, and then I love using these satin ones. Satin sheets are very romantic. Do you know that song? Now, so I'll hold these. I think we'll put the bedding on the top. These are like hypoallergenic pillowcases, which are good for me because my allergies, but I don't like how they feel. and I'm not sure. I think I'll probably get rid of those. This is from a king set I no longer have, so that can go too. Why not? Because we have, like, any extra pillows, we have cases for, like, even for like the guest room and stuff, so I don't need to hold on to it. I used to always be like, well, you never know if you need extra. I used to have a lot of extra pillowcases, like way too many. This is actually for her bathroom. It's an extra one, so when we have the one in the wash, there's at least one mat in there, so I'm gonna keep that. And since this is Cora's kind of pile, we'll put that, let's put that in the back, because we don't need it that often. So you want everything in the front that you use most often or change out, like the towels or bedding. Now this thing I hate folding. Okay, it's bad enough folding fitted sheets, right? Then you have these, what are they called? The mattress covers. This one is like a hypoallergenic, waterproof, like I'm gonna pee my bed or something. These I'm gonna put in the back. I should have gotten a step ladder. All right, we're gonna put those in the back because we don't change those even every single time that we do the sheets. So I'm gonna put both of those. I think we only have two. One for her. We have like two for each thing. So while we're washing, we have an extra one. So we have a twin one and then our king. Shove it back there. I will tidy that up a little because it's a little messy, but I'm only 5'2½". What can I say? Now, okay. So this stuff I have to put in her bathroom because this guy was just chilling. And that's her toothbrush thing. Now here is an extra, and this is really nice quality. She has a mermaid shower curtain right now. But I have thought as she gets older, I used to have this in our like guest bathroom. And it was her bathroom too, but she was like a baby and didn't care. But it's really pretty colors. I thought she may want this as she gets older, growing out of like mermaid phase. And it's really good quality. Normally maybe I wouldn't, but it was a decent amount of money for a shower curtain. And it's really nice quality. So I'm gonna put that actually under that bath mat back there. And then, so these are, we have extra, this is our extra king. By the way, yes, I want to shout out, what brand is this? Hold on. Please let the tag be here. Room Essentials, right? These are my favorite, to the point I'm getting rid of all my extra sheets except Room Essentials brand by Target. They are so soft and really nicely priced. So I have another pair of those on my bed. I think I have three. I think I have another pair too. So I'm getting rid of one of my other. I'll just show you now while I'm talking about it. I'm getting rid of these. These are bamboo. My door's beating me up. And although they're kind of comfortable, they make me hot. They're just the material, and they're not supposed to be. Bamboo's supposed to be pretty breathable, I think, but it lays heavy and just kind of makes me feel like I'm in early menopause, so we don't want that. Am I in early menopause? I don't know. All right, and then these are her extra sheets. TJ Maxx, I think I got all of these at TJ Maxx. They have really good prices on quality sheets, so FYI. I am going to have to get up there with a step ladder to just make it prettier. But we're getting there. I'll put this stuff up here. And then keep it, because we have bath towels, pool and beach towels that are in the wash right now. So I need to put those there too. So we need to leave room. And this can be all, we keep our extra towels mostly. We have like a set of 4 white towels in my husband and I's room. I'm going to keep this extra white one in our, there's actually not room in there, so I will keep it in here. But most of these towels she has a lot of towels. Some of these were like guest room towels that kind of became Cora towels, but if we have guests, they can use them. So like these were the guest towels, but she uses them now. as well. So you can have those there. This one is, I remember I got this. It was a $5 towel at the beach because I forgot a beach towel when I was, I don't know, 28 years old. Maybe, yeah, maybe younger. But it's just really crap material and falling apart. So I am going to give that away. Is that mean to give away? Yeah, it's fraying. I'm going to throw that away. Because I have extra towels in, because it's always good to have extra. I think if there is like a flood or something, we have a couple extra towels in the guest room, in the closet there. So I'm going to keep this one. I have this a random pillowcase, which I feel bad because I gave away, years ago, I got rid of this queen set I had. And this was part of it, and I couldn't find a second pillowcase, and there she is. So we can get rid of that. I don't know why this is over here. I have this white hand towel for my bathroom. I could put there, and I might tidy up a little, fold a little nicer. But yeah, so as far as bedding, I'm gonna get rid of, well, bedding and towels. This stuff, that whole set. And then this is the only one I'm like hesitant about because she does have allergies and asthma. I'm like, what if I hurt her? So I may put my thinking cap on and ask my husband what he thinks about that, if he wants to keep it. He normally doesn't have a big opinion on that stuff. And then I'll show you what I'm getting rid of from yesterday, this bucket of stuff. So shampoo I'm giving away to my friend, and then I have this mouth guard, a little Clarisonic spinner because I don't have that anymore, and then 2 travel bags and this weird spiky thing and like a face spray and stuff. So yay, I just love getting rid of stuff. It feels so good, doesn't it? So yeah, I will probably refold that and make it a little neater up there. Then we have we'll have more towels in there in the back. Me and my husband have a couple. And then the bath towels. Again, I'm probably, because I get crazy. Once I'm in like this mode, everything has to be perfect. I'm gonna have to refold like all of this so it's exactly the same size. And then I did label these yesterday too. I don't know why they weren't labeled. I switched, I think when we moved, I changed the containers to those, and I did not label them. And then there's the medical stuff. Well, it's all medical stuff, but the inhaler stuff, and then toiletries, and all that at the bottom, and the little stick vac. I love how the stick vac fits in there. So there it is. It's efficient. That's like why I put all this stuff down here, because now Cora's old enough, she knows not to take any medicine or any of that, and she can get her own Band-Aids, because you know she falls all the time. She's 5, so she can get her own Band-Aids. And I wanted this just easy to grab, you know, first aid, just like right there. And I wanted to have all the towels and bedding near each other. So it makes sense, right? All right. And then she can also grab tissues easy. Bonus footage. I put these bags in there too, and they fit perfectly, and they're connected, so it'll be easy to just pull one out, and out comes the next. I didn't mean to pull it out so far. It looks like a tongue.